Yo, what's up, YouTubers? I'm still in Albuquerque, New Mexico. I am trying out, of course I tried this place out before, not here, but I tried one in Arizona. But I am eating at Filiberto's Mexican food on Eubank Boulevard in Albuquerque, New Mexico. And man, this place is definitely off the hook. They have them everywhere. I did try one, but I'm trying this location just to see how it is. Man, I'm so gonna love it. I'm gonna eat it again. I'm so hungry. Can't wait to eat it. And I'm gonna show y'all what I got too. But don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and comment. Follow your boy, NerdyRed23, and I'll definitely get back to y'all in the next video. God bless and stay safe, y'all. Peace. If you love Mexican food, come try this place out here in Albuquerque, New Mexico.